Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 restaurant interior trends for 2026 that if you're opening a new restaurant or planning a redesign, this video will give you fresh, future-ready interior ideas that attract customers and elevate your brand. This is LushLoom, where spaces turn into experiences. Why restaurant design matters in 2026. In 2026, restaurant interiors are no longer just about seating and decor. Customers want an experience. They expect spaces that feel warm and welcoming, Instagram-worthy, comfortable and functional, sustainable and modern. A well-designed restaurant doesn't just serve food, it tells a story. Top 5 restaurant interior trends for 2026. 1. Nature-inspired interiors. Biophilic design is leading the way. Indoor plants and green wall. Natural materials like wood and stone. Earthy color palettes. Soft, organic textures. These elements create a calming atmosphere and make guests want to stay longer. 2. Warm minimalism. Minimalism in 2026 is softer and more inviting. Clean layouts with fewer distractions. Neutral tones with warm accents. Simple furniture with elegant shapes, clutter-free dining spaces. This trend feels modern, premium, and timeless. 3. Statement lighting. Lighting becomes a design feature, not just a necessity. Sculptural pendant lights. Warm ambient glow. Layered lighting for mood control. Highlighting tables and architectural features. Good lighting sets the mood and enhances the dining experience. 4. Flexible and modular layouts. Restaurants now need adaptable spaces. Movable furniture. Multi-purpose seating zones. Private corners and open areas. Layouts that work for dine-in, events, and takeaways. Flexibility means better space use and higher revenue potential. 5. Bold textures and artistic walls. Walls become a canvas. Textured finishes. Hand-painted murals. Branded feature walls. 3D panels and creative surfaces. These elements make your restaurant memorable and social media ready. Final thoughts. In 2026, the best restaurant interiors will feel immersive. Reflect brand identity. Balance beauty with function. Create unforgettable guest experiences. That's why LushLoom designs spaces that don't just look good, they perform beautifully. Outro. For cutting-edge restaurant interior design in 2026, connect with LushLoom today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. LushLoom, designing experiences, not just spaces.